When you search for the best gimbals for iPhone and Android, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Let's kick things off with the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Priced at $125, this gimbal really caught my eye with its advanced tracking capabilities and built-in extension rod. If you want to capture super smooth footage while keeping everything in focus, this is worth a serious look. This gimbal boasts AI native tracking, which means it can follow your subjects effortlessly, making it perfect for vlogging or capturing those spontaneous moments. The seamless 360-degree pan rotation is not just a fancy feature, it allows you to capture dynamic shots without any awkward angles. Plus, the built-in tripod and extension rod let you get creative without the fuss of extra gear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The gimbal's 10-hour battery life means you can film all day without worrying about charging, and it even charges your phone while you shoot. That's super handy during long events or outings. With over 6,000 sold just this past month, it's clear that users are loving it. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavier than other models. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about filming and need stability, that weight translates to sturdiness, which is a trade-off I'm willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator who wants all the bells and whistles for professional-looking videos. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-light for casual use. But honestly, for the price, it packs a lot of value. Now, if the weight of the Osmo Mobile 8 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design.
Product number 2, DJI Osmo Mobile 7. With a more budget-friendly price of $59, this gimbal offers an impressive range of features. If you want stability without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The Mobile 7 features robust 3-axis stabilization, which is essential for those shaky moments during filming. It also has Active Track 7.0, allowing you to keep your subject in focus while you move around, which is perfect for capturing those dynamic shots. Not to mention, its 10-hour battery life means you won't run out of juice in the middle of a shoot. Why is this important? Because you need consistency in your filming, especially if you're creating content for platforms like YouTube or TikTok. The lightweight design at just 300 grams is a game changer for those long shoots. Plus, this model has been bought over 5,000 times in the last month, which speaks volumes about its reliability. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't handle windy conditions well. But honestly, if you're filming outdoors, a little wind is expected, and I think a little extra care can mitigate this issue. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a solid option that won't weigh you down. Skip this one if you need top-tier features for professional filming, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3, DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P is another fantastic choice. While the price isn't listed, it's highly sought after, with over 2,000 units sold last month. If you're looking for a gimbal that combines multiple functionalities, this one's for you. What stands out here is its multifunctional module that includes intelligent tracking and lighting features. This means you can shoot in various conditions without worrying about lighting. The built-in extension rod and tripod give you that extra flexibility to capture wide shots or group selfies without needing extra gear. Here's why this matters. The dual lens enhanced tracking means your subject stays in focus even during fast movements, which is crucial if you're filming sports or active kids. With features like one-tap editing, you'll save tons of time post-filming, and that's something every content creator can appreciate. Some users did mention that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially, but I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze, and the results are worth that initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator looking for versatility in your shots. Skip this if you want something simple and straightforward, but for added features, it's a steal. Now, if the features overwhelmed you, the next product is super straightforward and user-friendly. Product number 4, Compressor L7C Pro. Let's talk about the Compressor L7C Pro. Priced at just $29.99, this is the budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. If you want something that balances performance with an affordable price, take a close look. This gimbal features advanced 3-axis stabilization, which transforms shaky footage into smooth videos. You can capture precious family moments or travel memories without worrying about quality. The intelligent AI tracking feature allows you to focus on the action, whether it's a birthday party or a scenic hike. Why is this important? Because as a creator, you want to ensure that every shot you take is stable and professional looking. The Compressor L7 can handle a wide range of smartphones, making it versatile for all users. Plus, with over 1,000 sold last month, it's gaining traction quickly. Now, some users pointed out that the app interface can be a bit clunky, but honestly, for the price, it's a minor flaw that won't ruin your experience, especially for those just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and looking for a reliable gimbal to boost your filming quality. Skip this if you're an advanced user needing high-end features, but for the value, it's hard to beat. And now, if the simplicity of the Compressor isn't what you're looking for, the next option brings some extra features to the table. Product number 5, Aoquan Smart XE. We have the Aoquan Smart XE. Priced at $51.99, this gimbal brings some impressive features for its cost. If you want a stabilizer that can also enhance your creative process, this one's worth a look. The Smart XE offers powerful 3-axis stabilization and an intuitive focus wheel that allows you to manually adjust your shots. This is a great feature if you're looking to add a professional touch to your videos. The AI face tracking is another standout, giving you that cinematic feel while you film. Why should you care? Because this gimbal not only stabilizes your shots, but also makes your filming process smoother and more enjoyable. With a 10-hour battery life, you can shoot for extended periods without interruptions, which is great for events or travel. However, a few users mentioned that the setup can be a bit time-consuming. Here's the thing, once you're set up, you'll appreciate the quality of the shots you can take, which is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values both stability and creative features. Skip this if you're looking for something super simple, but at this price point, it really does a lot. So there you have it, 5 fantastic gimbals. Each brings its own strengths, whether it's high-end features, affordability, or simplicity. Oh, to quickly recap, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 is perfect for those who want advanced features. The Mobile 7 is a budget-friendly option with great stability. The Mobile 7P offers versatility with lighting. The Compressor L7C Pro is a fantastic choice for beginners. And the Aoquan Smart XE adds creative control to your filming. No matter your needs, there's definitely a gimbal here that can help you up your filming game.